नमस्ते देवी और सज्जनों, प्लीज़ इग्नोर माई हेयर स्टाइल. कल मैं खेलने गई थी और it started raining and this is how my hair looks after that. Okay, is my camera सही? I don't know what I've been doing. मैं अपनी किचन का इतना व्यू क्यों देती हूँ? एक second guys. I'm just gonna upload this video ऐसे ही without any. I mean I don't know how to edit, so I don't know why I'm talking about editing. कुछ नहीं आता. This video is about my weight gain. I don't know if I said that already. I honestly believe, entirely honestly with all my heart believe that मुझे advice देने का कोई like हक नहीं है in the sense मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं क्या करती हूँ लाइफ में, but since a lot of people are asking and I feel like मैं जवाब नहीं दूंगी तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा उस बात का, and I can't reply to every DM, so I'm just gonna put this out on YouTube. I'm standing for this video so that I can stop talking as soon as possible. It's 3:15 AM. पता नहीं आधी रात को ही मुझे जोश आता है. Anyway, so I'm gonna start from the very beginning. बचपन से I was a very skinny kid. Actually no, till I was 5 years old I was healthy, and then उसके बाद में पता नहीं क्या हो गया. I started to become super active and I was always playing, so I was skinny. 10th में भी I was skinny. I'm 22 right now, okay? So age आप लोग calculate कर लो. Generally it's like what 14 years old, 15 years old in 10th grade. So when I was 15 I was skinny, and all the people, like all the kids that ask me how did you gain weight and they're like 15 years old, I don't know. If you're super active and your metabolism is super high, I don't know how you'll gain weight, क्योंकि मेरे को gain weight करते 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 इतना time लग गया and self concept भी बदलना पड़ा मुझे. तो I don't know what advice to give you. Please ask an expert. And also I need to tell you this, I am not an expert. Please do not come at me and tell me कि आप ऐसे कैसे बोल सकते हो. नहीं पता, मुझसे पूछा गया तो मैं अपना बता रही हूँ. तो then till 10th grade I was super skinny, and then I started to look at all these pictures of people who had nice legs, and I was like, that's what I want. So I started working out at home and I was just doing legs. I have never done arms in my entire life. Actually no, that's untrue. I have done arms when I went to the gym with my friends ही था for 2 months. And friends ऐसे बोला मैंने क्योंकि एक ही जिम रेगुलरली आता था, दूसरा वाला क्या करता था क्या पता. Anyway, तो तभी मुझे थोड़ा सा मसल आया था on my arms, like थोड़ा सा मतलब इतना था. That's on that video. I'm flexing. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है, but तभी था. Anyway, so in 11th grade in college मुझे पूछा गया था if I would join a football team. So join the college football team, and तभी I started going to play. And then when I was playing I had decent legs, like I always had, like the shape of my leg was really nice, not bad. But then I think when lockdown hit, something happened to me. I have very bad self-concept and I was going through something. I was a sad girl, and so I was not eating food and I wanted to lose weight as well. I was literally 47. I don't know why I was trying to lose weight, but I was. So I started skipping. Skipping करना बहुत dangerous होता है if you're skinny, and like randomly if you decide you're gonna skip, you're gonna lose weight. It's for the people who want to lose weight, I would say. अपना heart rate and all पता नहीं अच्छा रखने के लिए people skip, which is great, do it. But for me, I was like doing a lot of it. I think 1500. I'm not making it up. मैं actually hall में बस पूरे time skipping करती रहती थी. So then during the lockdown I lost a lot of weight, and then after that I decided to join a football team. Like पहला वाला college team तो वो college छूट गया मतलब फिर खेलना बंद कर दिया मैंने वहाँ. फिर I joined another team, and then there was a lot of cardio because you have to run turf का पूरा चक्कर काटना पड़ता है 5, 6, 10, I don't know. And then you're always running for drills, and that's for stamina, so you've got to do it. Anyway, and at that time my legs looked beautiful, okay, they were toned and they were just, but my overall weight was, I think I was 45 at that time, and I'm 5'5". So I think when you are not all that like people who play a lot of football, like they go to train, उनके legs muscular होते हैं, like the ones who train. Okay, right now I just play for fun, तो मेरे muscular नहीं है. The people who go and train, like they are playing for a professional team, वो लोग को हमेशा ट्रेनिंग कराया जाता है. मेरे मुंह पे ना मेरे बिल्लू के बाल आते हैं, इसकी वजह से मैं हमेशा स्क्रैच करती रहती हूँ. सॉरी. आई वाज सेइंग कि तो उनके लेग्स बहुत टोन्ड होते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आर एक्सट्रीमली टोन्ड यू टेंड टू लुक मोर patla. I don't know if I'm making any sense. Anyway, then I developed a very bad relationship with food. I don't know what was up with me. I was just going through something in life. I was sad. I was not able to eat. So every time I would eat, I would just eat itna. And I would have, like, the first thing that I would do after waking up was have like black coffee without any sugar. I don't know the science behind it, or if it really does like kill your appetite, but I would not eat food. I would skip breakfast, then directly go train in the morning. Then I would sometimes eat directly at 3 or 4 o'clock, then probably eat a little bit at night. But even when I would eat 2 chapatis maximum, and uske beech mein I wouldn't snack. I just did not feel the need to eat, and every time I ate something more than what my capacity, I would like to call it that time, I would feel like I was wanting to puke. I don't know, something was wrong. And then my self-concept, image, whatever you want to call it, was really bad. And I was just a sad girl. I was always crying. I was never happy. And I always believed that I wouldn't be able to gain weight because that's just how my body is and how everybody, like my father is skinny, my sister's also skinny. So then I was just like, I won't be able to gain weight. And that was my belief for quite a long time, until I started watching YouTube videos about how you could do anything if you just change how you think, and about how the mind works, and how you can trick your mind into thinking whatever. So then I started to visualize. अब पता नहीं लोगों को लगेगा कि मैं पागलपंती की बातें कर रही हूँ, but honestly I started to visualize myself with like a bigger body. And also I was unhealthy at the time. There are a lot of skinny people who are extremely hot and healthy as well, but I wasn't. My BP was always low, to a point where मैं ऐसे like थोड़े टाइम भागने के बाद में I would just feel like I was gonna faint. कोई iron deficiency नहीं था. I got blood test also. एक बार घर पे I was just walking around and I fainted. So then my mother took me to the hospital and they were just like, bro, this girl, her BP is always low. What is up with her? And then another time there was like this free blood checkup that was going on, so I went and checked my blood there as well, and they also told me that, sis, there's something up with your BP, go and fix that. So, and every time I would ask them what am I supposed to do about it, they would just be like, eat more food. And when you are struggling mentally, you just can't eat food. I don't know how else to explain it. मुझसे नहीं खाया जाता. I was just sad. But after, and then I would keep getting like comments about how skinny I was, and that really made me feel sad, and I just had the worst self-esteem. I was extremely insecure, and so I was not able to gain any weight. Then after that I started to do all the mental work. Now I don't know if this might be like, you know, something that y'all would think is important, but honestly I started to think that I can do this and I'm beautiful, and I actually distance myself from all the people who used to say that I am not it and I'm not beautiful, or I shouldn't think that there's anything good about me. So then after that I actually started to see a difference in my body, and then for my weight gain, I started to actually visualize myself with a bigger body, and I started to gradually increase my food intake. मतलब मेरे से पहले 2 चपाती नहीं खाई जाती थी ढंग से, फिर I started to have 3, and rice also I started to have a lot more than before. And then I started to snack more, and I did it आराम से. तो 2.5 years it took for me to be able to see the difference in my body, but then हो गया. ultimately. And also I reduced the amount of cardio that I was doing. Now I don't do skipping. I know that if I start skipping I will definitely lose weight. Skipping is, I don't know how it works for other people, for me, मैं skipping अगर रोज करूँ तो actually पतली हो जाऊंगी मैं fully, 5 kg लूज कर सकती हूँ. लॉकडाउन में भी मैंने 5 या 6 kg, I don't even know कितना लूज किया था. But हाँ, that's that. So I would just say that as much as you need to fix your food habits, you also need to fix your head. And you can look it up, law of attraction, law of assumption, all of that. वो सब का इतना ज़्यादा मुझे पता नहीं, but मैं हमेशा ये मानती हूँ कि whatever you believe to be true will be true for you. So if you're gonna be fully convinced that you're not gonna be able to gain weight, you will not gain weight. Just start to think that you will be able to do it, and you might just be able to do it. This advice is just gonna be like, oh, she's talking a bunch of bullshit, but सच्ची में ऐसा ही था. And surround yourself with people who tell you that you are beautiful and you are everything. Like, stop hanging out with people who say extremely bad things about you, because that can really mess with your head, and then you will just be a sad girl like I was 2 years back. So that's that. And I don't know what else. 11 minute की video, 11 minute में खड़ी हूँ. I'm so proud of myself. I'm just gonna upload this video ऐसे ही. And I hope that also for food, wait, since people asked me कि मैं खाती क्या थी, मैं कुछ भी खाती थी, कुछ भी, मतलब कुछ भी. मेरे घर पे जो भी बनता था सब कुछ खाती थी. उसके अलावा आई वुड ईट बाहर से भी. एंड आई वाज लाइक अ बिग फैन. आई थिंक something that helped me gain a lot of weight was peanut butter, Nutella and bread. I know it's the worst. People keep talking about how, you know, protein based होना चाहिए. नहीं था मेरा. I'm sorry, नहीं था. मैं कुछ भी खा रही थी at that time. And so I was just eating a lot of random things. And right now I would like to say I am 58, 59 दोनों के बीच में. It depends on my cycle. उसका भी मुझे इतना ज़्यादा साइंस नहीं पता, बट वेट कुछ तो होता है मेरा. आधा किलो आगे, आधा किलो पीछे, 1 किलो आगे, ऐसे कुछ भी होता रहता है when I am nearing my period and when it's over. Anyway, so I used to have that. That was like my favorite meal. I am allergic to peanuts, like not the EpiPen wala allergy, but I get a lot of breakouts on my face. But at that time, I was cool with it. I was like, चलेगा, अच्छा लगता है, मैं खाऊंगी. और क्या था, मैं कुछ भी खाती थी. अभी तो I don't even know what to tell you guys. You also just eat. Like, ask your mommy if you are in hostel. If someone from hostel texted me and they were like, मैं hostel में हूँ, मैं क्या खाऊँ, मैं नहीं जानती. मुझे एक्चुअली नहीं पता कि हॉस्टल में क्या खाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं कभी हॉस्टल गई नहीं थी. तो हाँ, आई वाज जस्ट हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ राइस खाओ गाइस. राइस इज इट. आई एम अ मल्लू and I live in Mumbai. Guys, a lot of people ask me ki if you're a Malayali, why can't you speak in Malayalam? എനിക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാൻ അറിയാം, പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ അവിടെ അല്ല ജനിച്ച് വളർന്നേക്കണേ. ഞാൻ മുംബൈയിലാണ്. I've been here since the time I was born. So ഹിന്ദി और ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ज़्यादा बोलती हूँ मैं. പക്ഷേ എനിക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ ശരിക്കും സംസാരിക്കാൻ അറിയാം, എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. പക്ഷേ എഴുതാനും വായിക്കാനും ഒന്നും എനിക്കറിയില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ വീഡിയോയും എനിക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല, बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु वॉच मी फ्रॉम मुंबई एंड अदर प्लेसेस, और उनको हिंदी थोड़ी बहुत ऐसे ऊपर से पीपल स्टिल अंडरस्टैंड. പക്ഷേ മലയാളം आई थिंक इज नॉट गोना बी समथिंग दैट एवरीवनस गोना अंडरस्टैंड. सो ओके, अब 14 मिनट हो गए आई थिंक. एनीवे, आई वुड जस्ट सजेस्ट दैट यू फिक्स योर whatever is going on in your head and eat more food and gradually start to increase your food intake. जैसे एक ही दिन में if you decide you're gonna have 6 meals नहीं हो पाएगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके start eating the things that you like to eat, and then think, like actually sit and visualize the kind of body that you would like. Even क्या कहते हैं उसको, विजन बोर्ड बना लो, उस पर अपने फोटो चिपकाओ Pinterest से निकाल के, the kind of body that you want. Look at it every day and just be like, that's gonna be me, and you might just get there. I am all about mental, I don't even know what to call it, what's the word, my vocabulary has gone to the dogs. So that's that, guys. I hope that this video helped you all in some manner, to some capacity. मुझे नहीं पता. Also this t-shirt is from Baller, if anybody cares. देयर इज़ अ कोड सेरा 15 आई थिंक, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे, वहाँ से अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ले सकते हैं. सो गुड नाइट, शुभ रात्रि. I shall see you next time. Bye.